Hello everybody and welcome to Smokin Gun Worx in Forston, Illinois. I'm Dr. Keith Reuter, the owner of the facility. We're excited today to test out some bullet resistance to some safety glass today. And the range will be going from a 9mm handgun to a .223 rifle, testing the ability for the glass to resist the penetration.
Okay, so this first piece of glass is 1-inch thick glass. It's consistency. It's made up of half-inch glass, half-inch polycarbonate. We're going to shoot it with 3 9mm full metal jacket 15 grain shots to pass level 1 testing. So what our hopes are is if a machine ejects a part or an insert, it has the force with the spindle speeds and the coolant pressures simulating a gunshot blast. So we're going to test the 9mm, which is far greater of an impact than you'd realize in the machine tool industry. And so if it stops 9mm round, your operator should be safe from any ejected parts. Okay, so we just tested 1 round just to make sure everything was smooth. You can see the 9mm hit in the center here. And the back is with polycarbonate. You can see I'm rubbing my hand against it. Nothing penetrated the backside, and there are no glass shards or any projectiles that would come toward the operator. Everything's contained inside the machine, and even if the operator's close by, he's safe and live to machine another day.
We're going to complete our 3-round session with our Glock 19 9mm, then 2 more rounds of Winchester 115 grain full metal jacket. Range is hot. All right, our next level is a 40 Smith & Wesson 180 grain, fired out of a Smith & Wesson M&P40. And here we go, 3 rounds. Range is hot, fire in the hole. All right, next level, 20 rounds, 9mm, 150 grain Winchesters out of a River Arms carbine. Good. Range is hot. And the goal.
So this is our 2-inch thick window. This consists of 4 layers of half-inch material, half-inch glass, then Lexan, glass, and then Lexan again. And this was 20 9mm 115 grain bullets. And you can see again, there's no penetration and there's no sharp edges on the other side.
So the next test is going to be that same AR-15 with the 55 grain full metal jacket. This time we're going to do 10 rounds.
This is one of our 2-inch windows. This consists of half-inch piece of glass and then 3 layers of half-inch polycarbonate. We shot this with a 223 10 times, and you can see that the bullets are lodged in here, and it's smooth on the end. So this is the equivalent to around a 50 millimeter thick CNC window. So if it can stop 10 AR rounds, it'll protect your operator.